Introduction to Fire Filter Self-Rescue Breathing Apparatus. This is the Fire Filter Self-Rescue Breathing Apparatus. It is a disposable fire safety item. In the event of a fire, it is used for evacuation and self-rescue. Take a look at the structural composition of the filter self-rescue respirator. There is a stainless steel filter canister, a rubber plug on the front and back of it. Look through this window. This is a black silicone mask. This window is called the Big Eye window. It is for broadening horizons. No need to take off glasses when wearing. This one is called the hood. It has high temperature resistance and flame retardancy. Can be easily discovered in a fire. Above the hood, this one is an adjustable fixed headband. Look at the side of it. The yellow part is called the breathing valve. This is a pure cotton flame retardant neck cover. Put your long hair into the hood when wearing it. The most important breathing component is the stainless steel canister. It filters carbon monoxide, hydrogen hydride, and solid smoke particles from the air. There are 3 steps to operate and wear it. Firstly, take out the fire filter self-rescue breathing apparatus from the box. Then, remove the rubber plug from the canister. Then, remove the rubber plug from the canister. Another rubber plug is inside the back and should be removed as well. Finally, correct wearing and tightening the adjustable fixed headband. Demonstration to wear fire filter self-rescue breathing apparatus. Open the box. Take out the vacuum pack. There is an incision on it. Rip it to open and take out the apparatus. Expand the hood. How do you unfold it quickly? Hold the edge of this mouth, fast dithering. It's on. Nah, remember, this is a very important step. Be sure to remove the red plug on the filter cartridge. Remove another one at the other end of the rope. Put your hands together and insert it to open it up. First, lean on the back of the head and pull it forward. After we put it on, be sure to let the silicone inside this part to cover our noses and mouths completely. In our firefighting competition, if the nose is exposed after covering, that's unqualified. Then pay attention to that. It has an orange fixing head belt rope. Let the rope lean on the back of your head. Pull the adjustable headband rope back. Tighten the headband so we can escape. If it is inconvenient to escape, please wait for rescue by the window. The apparatus has 30 or 60 minutes working time. How to take it off? Hold this filter cartridge and pull it forward, and lift the back off. Did you learn it?